Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing pumpkin rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my pumpkin, and in the initial stage, I thought to myself that I was going to go ahead and remove the skin from it. And then I said, you know what, let's just prepare with the skin on the pumpkin. If you guys want, you can always go ahead and remove the pumpkin skin, or you can always go ahead and just cook it as it is. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and just chop up my pumpkin in some smaller pieces. And if you guys want, again, you can always go ahead and shred your pumpkin, or you can just go ahead and chop it up. I also went ahead and chop up some onion, some of my scallion. I also went ahead and chop up some bell pepper, some garlic, and I also have one Scotch bonnet pepper. All of these items that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get most of these items there. So you can always go ahead and let me know what you think about this amazing pumpkin rice. You can always let me know if you're a lover of pumpkin rice, what you would have this with. You can always go ahead and pair this with some fried chicken, some baked chicken, some curry chicken. You can always have it with fish, whatever you have at home. Just be creative. I also went ahead and put on my pot on the stove, and I added just a small amount of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna allow it to heat up before I add all of these items. Again, if you guys want, you can always go ahead and chop up your pumpkin smaller. So now that my pot is all hot, I will go in and add my onion, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I will also add my bell pepper and, of course, my garlic. Now I'm going to go in and add my pumpkin. Once you add the pumpkin, you just combine everything together nicely. And then you're going to go ahead and add some water and allow the pumpkin to cook first before you add the rice. This should take you roughly about 25 minutes to prepare. Really easy, really simple. As I said, you can always go ahead and prepare this with some chicken, whatever you have at home. You can prepare this on a Sunday afternoon, on a Saturday, Monday, whichever day you want. You can always go ahead and have some amazing pumpkin rice. So once my pumpkin is all cooked, I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is it, my pumpkin all cooked. And you can always go ahead and take up a small amount, and you can always go ahead and use a fork to just crush into it. And if it goes in without you forcing, that's an indication that your pumpkin is all ready. So I went in and add my rice, and I'm using brown rice today. And please be sure to wash your rice properly. You guys can always go ahead and add white rice if you don't have brown rice, and add a piece of butter, and also add a small amount of salt, and please be sure to taste. So what I'm gonna do, once I add the butter and the salt, I'm just gonna allow my rice to cook. And once most of the water is boiled out of my rice, I will turn it down on low heat and allow it to cook. And then once it's finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing pumpkin rice. Stay tuned for the amazing finishing product. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing pumpkin rice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing, sharing with your friends and your families, and tell them about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.